Hello guys, I'm going to show you guys how to program DriverVNX2 today. This driver is designed for momentary electronic sites, which such as one I have here. This is the TX25C2. Okay, so this driver is programmable with 16 different mode groups here. Okay. The cool thing about this driver is you can access three different type of you have three different level of access from off. So from off you can have you can access the first mode in the sequence by holding down. You can access last mode memory with a quick click, which is the last mode you left on. Or from off you can double click to get instant turbo if your group mode is turbo, or if your hidden mode is strobe in one of your group modes, then you access instant strobe. Okay, right now I have the light adjusted to group 11, so we have 5 constant brightness and a hidden turbo. Okay, let's see how that works. I'm gonna hold down to access the first mode, which is 1%. Okay, click to turn off, and if even with a quick click, it's gonna access turbo the first mode because that was the last mode that I used it on. However, if I hold down the button to ramp through the sequence, say I'm at level number 3 now, which is 15%. If I turn the light off with a quick click, and if I turn it back on with a quick click, I'll be back with the last mode memory at 15%. Okay, so click off, click on, last mode memory retained. Okay, during any time on or off, if I double click, I'll get the hidden turbo or instant access to turbo. Okay, so from off, if I double click, I'll have turbo. Okay, turn the light off. So now that I last accessed turbo, even with a quick click, it'll go back to turbo because that was the last mode that I used. There you go. However, let's hold down the button to ramp to a bunch of different modes. So now I'm on level 3 again, 15. If I double click now, I'll also get into instant turbo. So from off, double click will always get you instant turbo. From on, double click will always get you instant turbo. From off, if you hold down, you always have low. Okay? So 3 different access in one driver from off, which is very, very cool in my opinion. You want last mode memory, you have last mode memory. You always want to start on low, you have that. And anytime you want turbo, you just double click. Or if you're in one of the tactical group with hidden strobe, anytime you double click, you have instant strobe. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust, change mode groups now. Let's pick one with a tactical strobe. Number 8 here, for example. Actually, for the sake of it, let's do number 10, since it's we have to do 8 clicks and it's less confusing for the presentation. Okay, so let's do number group 12, where we have 1 2 3 4 5. We have 6 constant brightness and a strobe. Okay, so quickly press the switch 8 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The light will be in this programming mode. Now you can click 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now we're locked into group 12. Okay, the first mode is gonna be turbo or 100%, and if I hold down the button, I should have that 100% right away because that's the first mode in the sequence. Okay, turn the light on, unless it should ramp down, and it does. Okay, now I'm in one of the middle modes, and if I double click, I should get strobe. Okay, see, have strobe. If I turn on my light, again, it's also strobe because that's the last mode. There's always last mode memory, so if you last left it on strobe, you will have it back on strobe. You see that? Hold down to go back to the first sequence, which is 100, 70, 50, 15, 5, 1. If I last used this light at mode 1, turn it off at 1%, turn it off, turn it back on, there'll be last mode memory with at 1%. Okay, turn it off, turn it back on, it'll always memorize at 1%. Okay, however, from off, if I hold down the button, I should again get the first mode in the sequence, which is 100%. There you go. So this, in my opinion, is a good tactical mode. From off, double click, you get strobe. Okay, and from on, during any mode, double click, I'll get strobe. So it's very quick access to strobe from off or on. Okay, but from off, I have instant access to turbo. Just hold down, which is the first mode in the sequence. So again, 3 primary features from off. Press and hold, first mode in the sequence. A quick click gives you the last mode that you're last on. Okay, or also known as last mode memory. From off or on, a double click will get you the hidden mode. In our case right now is the strobe. Alright, it seems a little bit confusing, but it is not. It is very easy to use, okay? And programming is very, very easy with a electronic side switch. Let's do it one more time, and let's just do a 2 mode, number 2, okay? From off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go into programming mode and it blinks like so. Alright, 1, 2. Now you're in group number 2. If you hold down the light, it should only alternate between 2 modes. 5, 100, 100, 5. There you go. Double click gets you that 100. Turn it off. Turn it on. Last mode. Alright, well I hope that makes a lot of sense. I know it's kind of repetitive that I'm going over it again and again with the same exact info, but hopefully that will give you a chance to program one of these side by side and figure out all the modes. It's a very, very cool driver with more modes than you can ever need. Alright, so hope that was informative and make any sense. Thank you. Bye-bye.